Hello and welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the cool places that you can find me. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, which is probably where you're watching this video. This is the November 2020 Birchbox. It's got something really fun, really exciting. Can't wait to try it. Everybody got it in their box, like a present from Birchbox. So we are going to just jump into this box, and like it says over there on the little card, let's have some fun. Okay, so November 2020 Birchbox. Cool little box. So there's like this little Mad Libs beauty routine letter thing. I didn't fill it out. I think it's kind of corny, if you ask me. Anyway, there you go. I guess you were supposed to take a picture of it and put it on Instagram. I didn't. So, anyway, everybody in their box got a Jade Roller. Now, if you don't know what a Jade Roller does, basically it's like the ancient Chinese beauty ritual called facial rolling. And it's supposed to reduce puffiness, stimulate lymphatic drainage for natural detoxification, boost your circulation, relieve facial tension. It's probably really good if you have TMJ like me. I could have used this a couple months back when my jaw was so tense. Oh, it's like a massage for your face. It's like foam rolling for your face, though. Like I can tell right here. I probably shouldn't be doing this with makeup on, but yeah. So, it's supposed to roll. You're supposed to use facial oil with it. So, and then if you put it in the fridge beforehand, it's got a cooling effect. I bet you this feels good if you have a headache too. I haven't had a migraine in a while. Knock on wood. Got some really good drugs for that now. Okay. Generation Skin. There we go. We got some brightening Kakadu plum eye patches, which has an abundance of vitamin C. Basically, they're little things that go under your eyes so that they don't look all puffy. A lot of not making your face look puffy. Then we have Kiss and Mink. My orthodontist would scream if they saw me doing that right now. There we go. Usually I have the stuff open beforehand. Okay. There we go. What color is this? Tulum. You know, that place in Mexico everyone's going to. There we go. Little blushy goodness. It's also multi-use. This is the everything stick. So you can actually use it on your eyelids. You can use it on your lid. Basically, you can do a whole look with it. Oh, I like it on the lips. Very nice. Very nice. And we have Lise, Watier, Base Miracle Pore Minimizing Primer. We all know what primer does, and if you don't, you put it on your face before your foundation so that your pores look smaller. There we go. It also helps with the fine lines. Boom! Okay. I love this one. I've had this before. It's the Too Cool for School Egg Mellow All-in-One Firming Moisturizer. It's anti-aging. It's got collagen infused in it. It's so great. I've also used their mask before. This is awesome. Then finally, it's a bonus product. It's the Arrow Detangling Texture and Protect Spray. It's formulated for all hair types. Comes through tangles, which I get a lot of because my hair is really long and I put it in messy buns a lot, and then the hair tie gets stuck and then I've got tangles. It sucks. And my hair is also dried out, and it also probably has some dead ends that need trimmed off. Anyway, that is the Birchbox, November 2020. That's where to find me. Like, subscribe. I think the subscribe's over here now. I think I set it up that way. Anyway, till next time, stay beautiful.